little bit of upgrades, man. Got to get the clutch worked on. I took my exhaust off. O2 sensor not coming off. PB blaster, torch, whatever, not coming off. Had to get a new one. New O2 sensor to go on that right there. Put that boy back on. Another upgrade. Secondary clutch. Little sneak peek how we gonna be looking. Ooh wee. Gotta come up here and connect it to the turbo. Can't forget this gasket right here. If not, you're gonna have an exhaust leak. Ah! Oh, that junk dirty as freaking there. Look at that turbo. Yeah. Got it on. How close the two pipes is?
My side close as heck. Your side not as close. Here we go.
What about now?
It's on there now.
Got the exhaust on, finally. Gotta plug the O2 sensor back up. What?
Dog dick.
Your fingers be right now. Keep going, keep going. Oh, no. I just hit it down. Almost.
What?
Pipe got stuck on that finger.
I had it last time. I was right there. You had it on this, man. No, I didn't. All right, whatever.
That's for the first 23 pound ride.
Yeah.
You can't even do 50.
Yeah. Jump on it, Jarvis. Jump on it, Jarvis.
I ain't doing like. You want them packages fast, you got to know somebody. Not just somebody regular, neither. No. Whalen stage 3.
Be very, very careful.
You ain't gotta just.
So we're gonna start off by removing the clip. And it's hard to show you, but lift up on the top.
This how you get precise with it. The video say just turn it. Bro, when I got this tool that costs $1,000, say we gonna get it right on the money. Get you a tuner like me.